We heard about Steve through a mutual friend, a former owner of the company. We heard about the EOS program, and based on my prior experience with Steve, I felt like it would be a good fit.
I found Steve years ago as he was working with one of the previous owners, and because of that relationship and the positive things it brought to that company, I highly recommended it to Jeremy as well as with the previous owner.
So far my experience has been really good. I think that it makes you take a kind of a hard look at the way that you're doing business and the processes that you're running your business with, and makes you reanalyze kind of how you're doing things and put things in a better order. It puts more structure around the company, and it's easier to get buy-in from your employees. I feel like our game plan and our structure for the company is a lot more solid and sound than it was previously.
I think Steve does a good job implementing the EOS system because he listens to everything, all our issues and our problems, and he helps us work through them. I think the EOS is going to hold a lot of benefit for our company because we always gain a lot of momentum in each meeting that we start putting into practice everything we discuss in the meeting. We have a solid management team because of the EOS system.
I think EOS would benefit really any kind of company that's looking to further develop and grow the business. I think that the biggest advantage is that it gives you kind of the tools to grow the right way.